Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to discuss about smoke testing and its examples. Smoke testing, also known as build verification testing, is a primary testing process designed to ensure that basic functionality of a software application is working properly. It is performed early in the development cycle or after a new build or release is prepared. The goal is to catch major issues early and prevent wasting time on more compressive testing if the basic functionality is broken. First of all, smoke testing is nothing but it is used to test the basic functionality of the software. So it will check the basic functionality of the software application, and its main advantage is that to catch the major issues and early preventing time on more compressive testing. So smoke testing is mainly used to test the basic functionality of the software application and catch the major issues early and prevent the wasting time on more compressive testing. And coming to examples of smoke testing scenarios, web application. Verify that homepage loads without error. Check if the user registration and login processes are functional. Test navigation to few critical pages like product listing page or a contact page. Ensure that such functionality is working properly or not. So coming to web application, if suppose after loading the that application, whether the home page is loading without errors or not, we need to check and test that one. And after that, whether the registration process and login process are functioning properly or not, we need to test these things. So mainly we need to test whether home page loads without errors or not. And coming to second step, whether registration process and login process are functioning properly or not, we need to check that one. And coming to third one, test navigation to a few critical pages like product listing page or contact page. So coming to third step, we need to test whether the product listing page and contact page we are able to navigate or not. Ensure that such functionality is working. So whether if we want any product, whether that product is we are able to search that product or not, we need to check that one. Coming to example 2, mobile app. Check if the app launches without crashing. Test basic interactions such as tapping buttons and scrolling. Verify the essential screens like main menu or setting pages are accessible. So coming to mobile app, whether the application is launches properly or not, we need to check that one. We need to check whether this application is launching without crashing or not. We need to test that one. And coming to second point, whether the buttons are functioning properly or not, and scrolling means that navigation is functioning properly or not, we need to check this one. Verify the essential screens like main menu or nothing but the main menu and setting pages are we are able to access or not, we need to check this one. Coming to software application, ensure that software installation process completes successful. Test basic operations such as opening, saving and closing a file. verify the important buttons and menu options are responsive. That means, first of all, whether that software application is the software installation process complete successful or not, we need to test whether it is installing properly or not. And coming to second point, we are able to opening the files, saving the files or closing the files. We need to test that functionality. Verify the important buttons and menu options are responsive. So in the third case, we need to check whether the buttons and main menus are properly responsive or not. So these are the 3 examples of smoke testing. So everyone, first of all, smoke testing is nothing but it is a build verification testing. It is also known as build verification testing. So try to learn these 3 examples and get the knowledge of smoke testing. Thank you for watching this video. Please do subscribe and like and share.